I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI to find digital products that are making tens of thousands of dollars a month, and then I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI to make that digital product, to create images for that digital product, and to even advertise that digital product on Facebook and other platforms. The demand for digital consumption is now blown up, and those that are selling digital products that people want are going to make a lot of money. Now, I do need to make an emergency announcement. We do need to hit 250 likes on this video as soon as possible, because the free AI tools I'm about to show you, I've built them myself, and for you guys to get access to them, we need to hit 250 likes. Now, if that means you have to go on your brother's YouTube account, your mom's YouTube account to like the video on their device, then it doesn't matter. So guys, this wouldn't be an Ecom King video if I didn't show you all of the proof. So as you guys can see, this is the Shopify dashboard. You can see for the last 12 months, we've done around about £140,000 in gross sales and £55,000 in total sales. So if we take a look at the chart, you can see from the start of the year till just now, which is April, we've done around about £35,000, which is around about $44,000. So we're just hitting around about $10,000 a month. Now, before that, we were doing around about $15,000 a month. So you can see that this was a successful digital product store, and we were using the AI methods that I'm about to show you. So although the revenue numbers might not be impressive, the profit margins are, because they're around about 60 to 70%. Now, just to show you that this is a real store, orders fulfilled and orders are almost the same. So you know that everything we're selling is being sold and shipped to the customer as a digital download. And you can also see by total sales by product, the end of the product name ends in digital, digital, digital. And if there is a physical product, which there is, which equates to only $2,800, it says physical at the end. So you can blatantly see that the majority of the sales volumes come from digital, digital, and digital, and a digital product. Now, one thing that I want to quickly mention is, if you don't already know what a digital product is a digital download where instead of you physically receiving it, you will receive it within an email and instantly get access to it. Now, digital products can range from loads of things like interior design templates, a weight loss journal. There is so many things. So now I've explained what digital products are. You're going to need to get access to my Ecom King Digital Products GBT. All you need to do is click Find Me a Winning Digital Product. Then once you've done that, the GBT will say to you, pick a hobby or niche, or you can pick one based on the suggestions it's given you. Now, the reason why it's going to ask you for your hobby or niche is because it's better to try and sell a digital product that you're passionate in or you have an interest in, because it makes it easier when it comes to selling it. Now, the good news is all of the ones it's suggesting that I like, but I'm going to pick interior design for myself. So I'm going to respond back saying interior design. Now, just like that, it's going to take around about a minute to respond. And you can see here, it's recommending me an interior design mood board template. And you can see it gives me the product overview, Etsy validation. If you don't already know, Etsy is the biggest platform for digital products. So if it uses the Etsy method that I teach it to validate the product, then that is really important. Then it's going to use a TikTok validation. Then it's going to use my Pinterest trend validation. Then the Facebook ad library validation. Then Winning Hunter. Then Google presence check, file type deliverability, funnel and offer, gaps and opportunities in the market. And then it gives me a final score. So it's giving me a demand score 8 out of 10, competition saturation 6 out of 10, profit margin 7 out of 10, UGC potential 9 out of 10, uniqueness 7 out of 10, and final verdict high potential. Then it gives me a one-line summary saying this product stands out due to high demand among interior designer enthusiasts and can uniquely be positioned by offering niche specific templates. So it's not just telling you what the product is that you should sell, it's telling you that you need to go into niche specific templates. Now, if you're not happy with what it's giving you, you can ask for more ideas. So you can see here, I've said more ideas for interior design. And just like that, guys, it's now giving me room layout templates, color palette templates, interior design. So it's giving me loads of different options. And let's say, for example, I like the idea of a room layout template. I can copy it. Now, just like that, guys, I've asked the GBT to do a room layout template full research. So basically, it's going to run the same research it did on the first product, but on the room templates. But this time, it's actually sent me images of examples of what people are selling. So it's showing me the images of what people are selling for this product. And the other great thing about this free AI tool that I've made for you guys is it tells you the file type. So it's a PDF Canva, it's a Canva Figma style. What is it? Is it a Notion template? So the good thing about this is it tells you what digital product they're selling. Now, once you've picked your digital product that you want to start selling based on using the GBT, prompting it like I just did, we can now move on to the next step. So here's one example. I'm going to use a company called Trend Assist AI, and I'm going to be using this AI tool to make me a fitness ebook. Now I've given it this prompt, which is create a high converting beginner friendly ebook that delivers massive value and solves pain problem in the weight loss niche. And I've also given it a little bit more information about how I want the ebook done, and I'm now going to send it that prompt. And just like that, guys, it's given me my ebook. It's written out everything about weight loss, and it's given me the ebook. Now you can obviously make this better by adding more in-depth information, but I've just made it very short and simple just for the purpose of this video. Now once I've got the information that I want, I can then go to this AI tool called ebookmaker.ai. Now it's going to ask me for the content type. Do I want it to be informative, storytelling, child story, or poetry? I want it to be informative. Then I can insert a title. So I'm just going to call it weight loss. Then I can do the description, which is what the prompt's giving you from Trend Assist, and I can paste it here. Then it's going to ask you for how many chapters do you want, 6 or 18. So it's up to you what you guys want to do, but you can choose any of them. Then once you've chose how many chapters you want, then you can click create ebook preview. So guys, before we move on to the next part of today's video, I want to give a massive shout out to today's sponsor, which is .store domain. Now with every dropshipping store or e-commerce store that you build, you're always going to need a domain name, and there's no better domain name to get than a .store domain. Now a .store domain name is your brand's identity that's going to enable you to sell more online. Now there's some really good benefits to having a .store domain name over any other extension. Now a detailed study shows that websites with a .store domain name get 87% more visitors than any other extension because it's easier to search for. It gives you that professional edge that tells your customer exactly what you're trying to do, which is sell them a product because it's a .store domain. Now here's another really cool thing. By using a .store domain name on your website, you can even decrease your ad costs up to 12%. So if you're serious about getting some sales on your e-commerce or dropshipping store, then you need to get a .store domain name. Now, if you use my exclusive link, you can get your domain for just 99 cents. So make sure you click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to get your .store domain name, and let's get straight back into today's video. And just like that, guys, AI has created us this professional looking ebook with all of the chapters and breaking it into a nice professional looking ebook so that when people receive it, it feels like it's a high value ebook. And the other thing that I really like with this application is you can change the color and styles of your ebook within the application. So you can make your ebook look really nice and fancy by changing the style and the colors, and you can even upload elements. Now let's move on to how AI can create you another form of digital product, but we're going to step this one up a higher level. So as you guys saw earlier on, it prompted me to doing interior design templates like this on the screen. So this is an Etsy seller selling these interior design templates. Basically, you buy this for, let's say, $20, and it's going to give you some motivation or inspiration of how you should redo your home or your apartment in terms of what you should buy, what kind of styles you should go for your whole living area, kitchen and whatnot. Now, to do this before manually, it would take ages. But now with the power of AI, guys, I can recreate my own version of this very quickly. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and I've asked it, what are the most common interior design mood styles? And it's given me all of the most common styles of interior design. Follow-up message saying, now make me some prompts to make minimalist style images of interior design for all areas of a house or an apartment. It's now giving me the prompts for a living room, a dining room, a kitchen. Now, where I'm going to put these prompts is by using a company called Freepik. Freepik is one of the most powerful AI tools for digital products right now. Now, once you've created an account with Freepik, it is free to create an account and you get free credits. If you want to upgrade, it will cost you a few dollars. But once you've come here, you want to go to where it says AI image generator. You want to change it to Flux 1.0 realism. And then you're going to want to add your prompts in here from ChatGPT. So you're literally going to copy the prompt from here, go to the GBT and paste it in. Now, I've already made 3 versions of this just to show you what it's come up with. So you can see it's already come up with this, it's come up with this, and it's come up with this. How insane is that, guys? It's already come up with those interior designs for me. Now, just to show you guys that this is real, I'm going to do the bedroom one with you so you know that Freepik is legit and it does work. So I'm going to now reprompt it based on that and click generate. And just like that, guys, it's now made the bedroom style of interior design for people that like minimal style. And you can see now I can compact all of these images and start adding them into a brochure like this for people that want interior design inspiration or mood boards. Now, you might be watching this thinking, well, yes, it's good that you've got an image of what you want the bedroom to look like as an interior designer, but then how do you make these really nice, fancy looking images showcasing it as a digital product. Now, the good news is we can go back to ChatGPT for it to do that. Now, you might be thinking, how does that work? You come back to ChatGPT, and because ChatGPT's had a new image upgrade, you can see under create image, it's been updated. We can now send it an example that we want it to recreate using our image. So I put, now I want to turn my image to a design like this. I've uploaded the image that I got from FreePic, and now it's going to create it into a style like this. And just like that, guys, ChatGPT has took that image I got from FreePic with AI and turned it into a 3D rendering bedroom mood board and the style that I took from that Etsy seller. This is crazy, guys. To be able to do this before without using AI, it would have cost you lots of money by hiring freelancers online, or it would have took you ages to create these using Photoshop or using something like Canva. And you can get ChatGPT Image Maker now to create those kind of designs for you once you've got the image itself for absolutely anything. So if I want to recreate this mock-up of an iPad, and I can explain to the ChatGPT that I want it to change the text to my text and the image to my image, but I want you to recreate this kind of style. And it will literally do it for me. Because now we've created the visual content, we can create our website to start selling our digital product. Now, just before I do that, guys, I want to show you another example. So I showed you the weight loss ebook. So for example, I'm going to now need some images to promote my weight loss ebook. And all I've got to do, guys, is find the bestseller on Etsy. You can see here it says bestseller. And I can just recreate their images using AI. And just like that, guys, I've got images for my weight loss digital product.
5 minutes later.
Now, after around about 5 minutes, guys, I've been able to create all of these images for my weight loss product that I made a digital download for. So I made these using Canva and AI, guys, to make every single one of these images that you're seeing. And these types of images are very similar to the ones that are the top performing brands selling similar digital products. And like I said to you guys previously, I'm not going to show you all the softwares and what kind of digital products that you can make in this video because it could take hours and hours and hours. So if you want the full list, make sure this video hits 1,000 likes. Okay, guys, so now we've got our winning digital product. We've come up with the content. We now need to build our Shopify store. So guys, I was able to make this Shopify store for my digital product, the weight loss one that I've been showing you throughout the video, in less than 15 minutes. And it doesn't look bad. And this is a very similar looking style that I'm using for my store that I showed you at the start with the results. It's a very similar look to this, guys. And I was able to create this in around about 15 minutes. Now, the reason why I was able to create this Shopify store very quickly was because I was able to make the images using AI like I showed you previously. I was able to create the logo using AI. I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to make me a logo for my brand. I then sent ChatGPT lots of Etsy listings selling similar weight loss products to mine. And then I also told it what my weight loss product was based on using the AI tool that made me my weight loss PDF. And then what it did is it created me some descriptions that I could use for my Shopify store, like our story and what the product does. And it made me some testimonials. So all I had to do was come into Shopify after I used my AI builder, which I'm about to mention in a minute, and just fill in the images, fill in the text, and it was completely done. So if you guys want to get access to your own AI Shopify store for your digital product, come to ecomkingstore.com, which is building your AI store using generative AI, and click get started. And then it's going to take you into a 6-step process into making your AI Shopify store. Now, do bear in mind quickly that this AI store builder has been designed for physical products, but it's still going to make you a store. So once you've made your store using the AI builder, all you need to do is delete the physical products that it gives you and just replace it using your digital product, just like this here. And as soon as you've deleted those physical products that the AI builder gives you, you'll have the format to be able to create your store looking like this. And then once you guys have created your Shopify store using the AI tools and steps that I've just showed you and told you, you can then run some Facebook ads to your digital product store. And you've got a few options, guys, when it comes to running Facebook ads. You can reuse the images that you've made for your Shopify store, or you can create new images using the ChatGPT method by looking at what your competitors are running on the ads library. So if you go to the Facebook ads library, type in the name of your product or a few stores that are selling your product, you can look to see what ads they're running, what type of image ads they're running, and ask GPT to remake those image ads using your images. And then that way you've got fresh image ads that you can run. And again, with Facebook ads for digital products, it's image ads, carousel ads that work the best. Videos just don't convert for us. So that's why this method's so powerful, because you can use the ChatGPT new image maker to recreate those ads for you. And then when it comes to the copywriting, like the ad copy, the headline, you can ask ChatGPT in the same chat. It's better to keep it in the same chat because that way it updates the memory, so then it gives you a better response. And then you can ask it to create you a Facebook ad copy and headline for your product. And as long as you've done it within the same chat that you've used to create you a Shopify description and the images, it will then build up a memory of what you're doing, and then the response will be better. So my advice is to ask the same GPT model the same question, so that way it'll give you better responses. And then it will give you guys some ad copies and headlines that you can use for your image ads. And then in terms of the Facebook ad setup, I've given you guys my recommendation in the cheat sheet. You guys are going to get access to this cheat sheet once we hit 1,000 likes. But Facebook ads is very simple these days. It's more about what your images are and the copy, not the structure. But the structure has a small element of importance, but I've left it here for you guys to follow. Now, if you've never ran Facebook ads before and you just don't even know what it is and how to do it, I'll leave a link to my free course teaching you for an hour and a half how Facebook ads work and how to do it. I'm not going to redo it here, guys, because it's an hour and a half long and I only made it a few weeks ago. But with that being said, guys, that's how you can generate $10,000 a month with digital products using the power of AI. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below, and let me know what you think of the power of AI right now.